Healthy habit number 9 of 16 is to consume healthy fats with each meal. Ensuring adequate intake of healthy fats is essential for optimizing health and performance. And today I'm going to be explaining 10 of the most important physiological functions that require fat. Seventh, fat is required for brain and nervous system health. Fats are essential for brain and nervous system health, supporting functions from cell signaling to cognitive processes. The brain, which is nearly 60% fat by dry weight, relies on lipids for its structural integrity and function, with specific fats contributing to cell membranes, synaptic connections, and communication pathways within the nervous system. Given the brain's high demand for energy and complex structures, fats play a critical role in maintaining healthy brain cells, neural communications, and overall cognitive function. One of the primary ways fat contributes to brain health is by forming the structure of cell membranes. Neurons, which are the cells that make up the brain and nervous system, are surrounded by membranes made from phospholipids, which are fats that provide flexibility and stability. These phospholipid membranes allow neurons to maintain their shape, protect their contents, and regulate what enters and exits the cell. The fluidity of these membranes, which is influenced by the types of fats present, is essential for effective communication between neurons. Omega 3 fatty acids, particularly docosahexaenoic acid or DHA, are especially important for cell membrane structure as they contribute to the membrane's flexibility and function, supporting efficient neurotransmission and synaptic plasticity, which is the brain's ability to adapt and form new connections. Omega 3 fatty acids are crucial for brain development, particularly during fetal growth and early childhood when the brain undergoes rapid growth. DHA, an omega 3 fatty acid found in high concentrations in the brain, is a fundamental building block of neuronal cell membranes and supports the formation of synapses, which are the connections between neurons where information is transmitted. Adequate DHA levels are essential for proper brain development, learning, memory, and emotional regulation. Studies have shown that DHA deficiency can impair brain development, leading to cognitive deficits and an increased risk of neurodevelopmental disorders. As a result, omega 3 fatty acids are often recommended for pregnant women, infants, and children to support healthy brain development. Fats also play an important role in creating the myelin sheath, which is a protective layer that surrounds neurons and enables efficient signal transmission. Myelin is a fatty substance that insulates nerve fibers, allowing electrical signals to travel quickly and accurately from one part of the nervous system to another. This myelination process is essential for rapid communication between neurons, which is necessary for coordinated movements, sensory perception, and cognitive processing. The importance of myelin becomes clear in conditions like multiple sclerosis, where myelin deteriorates, leading to impaired nerve function and a range of neurological symptoms. Sufficient intake of healthy fat supports myelination, helping to preserve the integrity of nerve signals and protect against neurodegenerative conditions. Aside from supporting the physical structure of the brain cells and neurons, fats are also involved in neurotransmitter function and hormone regulation, which influence mood, cognition, and behavior. For example, cholesterol is involved in the synthesis of steroid hormones like cortisol, which affects mood and stress response, as well as vitamin D, which influences cognitive function. The brain relies on a precise balance of these hormones and neurotransmitters to maintain mental health, and fats are critical for their production and regulation. Omega 3 fatty acids specifically have been associated with improved mood and reduced risk of depression as they help regulate serotonin and dopamine levels, which are key neurotransmitters for mood stabilization and motivation. Fats are also an important energy source for the brain, especially during periods of fasting or carbohydrate restriction. When glucose, which is the brain's primary fuel source, is unavailable, the liver converts fats into ketones, which the brain can use for energy. Ketones have been shown to provide a stable and efficient energy source for the brain, and this has led to the development of ketogenic diets as a therapeutic option for certain neurological conditions, such as epilepsy and Alzheimer's disease. The brain's ability to utilize ketones demonstrates the versatility of fats in meeting the brain's energy needs and promoting neurological health. Fats are indispensable for brain and nervous system health. They provide structural components for cell membranes, support myelin sheath formation, influence neurotransmitter and hormone function, and offer an alternative energy source through ketones. Essential fats like omega 3 fatty acids play a particularly significant role in brain development, cognitive function, and mood regulation, highlighting the need for adequate dietary fat intake to support a healthy, well functioning brain throughout life. Eighth, fat is required for cell signaling and communication. That was just a tiny taste of what can be found in my members only section. If you enjoyed it, become a member for only $5 a month to get access to hundreds of member only videos.